You figured it out already. Okay, there's more. Are you gonna get him? Good girl. Okay, here. How are you gonna get to those? You got another one. That's the second level. Get it? Get it? It's hard with the big nose. Kabir couldn't do it because his nose would be too big. Help. Let's see, there's the first level. Oh, you got the idea. You got that. Got that. You got that one too. Get it? There's some others. There's still some more in there. There you go. Let's see. Roll it up and around. You get it? Good thinking. Get it? Okay. Let's see what we can find. I know you really want it. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's some. Did you get it? Look over here. Get it? Don't you want it? If you're standing on it, that makes it not move. That's kind of a good strategy. Here, where's the other one? Where's the other one? Did you get them all? You might have got them all already. Did you? Hang on, Vic. Hang on, let's check the second level. I think she got them all. You got them all. You're so good. Give me more. You got it. It's all gone. It's all gone. Okay. Okay, wait. Should we try again?